Health and Hygiene Part 2. Diseases. A disease is a state in which a function or a part of a body is no longer in a healthy condition. Lack of any component of food in our diet can also cause diseases. Diseases can be categorized into two types: communicable and non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल वो डिजीजेज होती हैं जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन पे पास ना हो एंड दे आर नॉन इन्फेक्टियस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायबिटीज़, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिजीजेस, कैंसर, रिकेट्स, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, स्कर्वी, बेरीबेरी, ग्वाइटर. ऑल दीज आर नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस बिकॉज ये एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन पे पास नहीं हो सकती हैं. कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस. कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस आर दोज डिजीजेस जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन पे स्प्रेड हो, इजिली पास ऑन हो जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वूपिंग कफ, कोरोना, चिकन पॉक्स, इन्फ्लुएंजा, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. ऑल दीज डिजीजेस आर कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस बिकॉज दे कैन easily pass on to the others. Disease causing microorganisms are bacteria, virus and protozoa. Spread of communicable diseases. Germs travel from a sick person to a healthy person and cause a disease. This happens in the following ways. Through air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes or spit, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes in this air, the germs enter his body and make him sick. For example, whooping cough, diphtheria, viral fever, measles, etc. Through infected food and water. Food and water may get infected with germs when they are not stored properly. Eating infected food and drinking infected water causes diseases such as diphtheria, typhoid, jaundice, cholera, hepatitis A, etc. Through direct contact. A healthy person can get germs by coming in contact with an infected person, his clothing or other things used by him. For example, chicken pox, whooping cough, measles, etc. spread through direct contact. Through insects. जब फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो किसी मलेरियल इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन का ब्लड सक करता है तो उसके जर्म्स जो हैं वो फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो के ट्यूब्यूल्स में चले जाते हैं. एंड देन व्हेन द सेम मॉस्किटो बाइट्स अ हेल्दी पर्सन तो वो जर्म्स उसकी बॉडी में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाते हैं एंड दिस वे द अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो गेट्स द मलेरिया. वैक्सीनेशन. This is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases. Vaccines are made in small quantities of a very weak germs of a particular diseases. They are given orally or injected into our body. They create immunity against the diseases. Some common vaccines that are given to all children are polio vaccines to prevent polio, DPT vaccines to prevent diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis, MMR vaccines to prevent measles, mumps and rubella. Hygiene. Hygiene may be defined as a good habits that ensure cleanliness and good health. Following are some steps to maintain hygiene. We should follow all the sunnahs throughout the day. We should often make wuzu. We should wash our hands with soap and water before and after eating food and after going to the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice every day for at least 2 minutes. We should trim our nails regularly. We should bath daily. Kitchen floor, toilet and bathroom should be cleaned with disinfectant regularly. Our food should be properly covered. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should not throw garbage in the open. Dustbin should be covered. Water should not be allowed to collect inside the old tires, drums, bucket, etc. as mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Thank you for watching.